The transformation of Spotify Camp Nou is becoming more impressive with every passing week. While the stadium's massive structure continues to grow, it's the finishing details that are now bringing the project to life. From new glass installations to key progress across multiple areas, today's update reveals another exciting step toward Barcelona's future home. We begin at the diamond stores, where crews are drilling into sections of the exterior walls. This isn't routine work. It's preparation for the next construction phase, creating fixing points for utility connections, mounting systems, and upcoming exterior installations. Inside the stores, temporary protective doors have also been installed ahead of important electrical work. Their job is to keep dust and moisture away from sensitive equipment, ensuring the electrical systems can be installed safely and without future complications. Work is also continuing on the third-tier terraces, where crews are applying a protective rubber coating along the exposed concrete edges. Although it isn't one of the most noticeable tasks, it plays a major role in protecting the structure from moisture, weather, and long-term wear. This flexible coating helps prevent cracks, absorbs small structural movements, and extends the lifespan of the terraces. It's careful, methodical work, but one that will help keep Camp Nou in excellent condition for many years to come. Work is moving steadily in the north goal section, where horizontal slat installation continues across more of the façade. With every new row completed, the exterior is becoming more defined, giving fans a clearer glimpse of how this side of the new Camp Nou will eventually look. Another important milestone is the arrival of a fresh shipment of façade slats. With new materials now on site, installation teams can maintain their momentum while preparing for the next phase, which will eventually transition into the vertical installation. One of today's most exciting updates comes from the cafeteria section. After weeks of structural work and aluminum profile installation, glass panels are now being fitted into place, marking the beginning of a completely new phase. The transformation is already becoming visible. The new glass panels are filling the space with natural light, creating a brighter, more modern atmosphere. Combined with the aluminum framework, the cafeteria is finally beginning to showcase the elegant design envisioned for the new Camp Nou. This milestone is more than just a visual upgrade. It marks the shift from structural construction to architectural finishing, bringing one of the stadium's most impressive interior spaces closer to completion. Today's progress shows the project steadily entering its final construction phases. From preparations inside the diamond stores and protective work on the third-tier terraces, to continued progress at the north goal and the installation of cafeteria glass panels, every area is moving forward. With each completed milestone, Spotify Camp Nou moves one step closer to becoming one of the world's most spectacular football stadiums, and the final vision is becoming clearer with every update. Today's progress shows that Camp Nou is steadily moving closer to its final form. From the diamond stores and third-tier protection work, to the north goal facade and the cafeteria's stunning transformation, every update marks another important step toward completion. While these may not be the biggest construction milestones, they are the finishing touches that will define the quality and character of Barcelona's future home. With every passing week, the vision of the new Spotify Camp Nou becomes clearer. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Camp Nou construction update.